Hello and namaste everyone. This is a new do-it-yourself video on my channel DIY with Zini. I post crafty videos on every Saturday. So if you like cute and creative stuff, then consider subscribing. Today I'm sharing DIY pun cards for Friendship's Day. So go get your crafting supplies and let's get started. First, you will need some watercolor papers. I cut mine to 3 by 4 inches. Then a ruler and a pencil. Then any watercolors that you have at home. I am using Camlin cakes. Then some brown brushes. Black fine liners, also called as doodling pens, along with white gel pen. And some colored markers. Now let's get started with our first card. First, I am drawing cat head like shape with my pencil. Now, I am drawing details like eyes, nose and whiskers. Now, I am tracing everything with micron fine liner. You can use any doodling pen or gel pen instead, just make sure that it is waterproof. After you finish tracing pencil lines, then rub it off before you start watercoloring. And here's the fun part. First, I am applying wash of light brown color with lots of water in it. Then, I am adding little bit of black color and water underneath will do its job to blend the colors. This is truly magical and this technique is called wet on wet watercoloring. Then let this layer completely dry before you add next layer. For next layer, I am mixing some orange with brown and then again using wet on wet technique. You can also use tissues to wipe up any extra paint or water like I am doing here. Here I am using black Identi pen to darken the edges and draw eyes. Then I am using white gel pen to add highlights in the eyes, and this card is ready for your perfect friend. Now here's the second pun card. For this pun card, I am drawing a deer with pencil. Notice that I am drawing his head and ears larger than his body just to make him look more cuter. Then again I am using black micron pen for tracing deer and sentiment. Then make sure you rub off all pencil lines before watercoloring. And here I am using brown color and wet on dry technique to color this deer. I am also adding some splatters using my brush. Then I am using a little bit of pink for his ears and cheeks. Now here I am adding some spots on this deer with white gel pen, and this cute pun card is ready for your dear friend. Now let's make third pun card. Now for this I am drawing koala face with pencil. Again, I am tracing it with black micron pen before watercoloring. Now here I am applying some water where I need the color to spread on, and then dropping some grey color. As I explained before, it is called wet on wet technique, where water will help to blend the colors. I am using some pink color for his rosy cheeks. Then trace on the sentiment using any black pen, and this pun card is ready for your quality friend. Now let's move forward to our fourth pun card. For this, I am drawing some simple cherries with a leaf. Now to color these cherries, I am using some red and orange color. Then again, I am using wet on wet technique to blend those colors. Notice that I have kept some white space as it will look like highlights on cherries. Here I am adding little bit of black just for contrast and depth. Now here I am using red marker to write the word cherish, and this cute pun card is ready for your special friend. Now here's the last and simplest pun card. First, I am drawing a random shaped cloud. Now here I am writing my sentiment with pencil. As before, I am tracing this cloud and sentiment with black micron pen. Now here I am drawing some lines for raindrops. Then I decided to add some grey watercolor. Here, I am coloring some random raindrops. Then, I am coloring the word happy with bright yellow color. And this card is ready for a friend who is always there for us. I am so happy that you are watching this video till end. I really hope that these pun cards will help you to celebrate Friendship's Day. If you recreate any of this, then please share it with me on Instagram with hashtag DIY with Zini. I would love to see them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my new video on next Saturday. Happy crafting!